While cleaning her coat closet one day, a woman who had been living in her house for 3 years unexpectedly discovered a mysterious trapdoor. Intrigued, she decided to explore further, uncovering secrets hidden in the depths below. Please stay tuned for the enthralling revelations to come. Exploring one's own home can evoke a mix of emotions. For some, it brings excitement, for others, unease. In the case of a particular woman, her familiar dwelling concealed mysteries, leaving her both curious and somewhat spooked. Keep watching to learn more about Julia Henning's story. Henning, a life and relationship coach from Los Angeles, had been tidying her coat closet to transform it into a recording booth for her podcast, The Permission Portal, when she made a startling discovery within her 3-year-old residence: a secret door. Documenting the find in a series of viral TikTok videos, Henning shared her astonishment with the world. In her initial video, posted on June 14, 2023, Henning wrote, "I was cleaning the closet and decided to investigate. This is what I found. Should I go in?" Upon discovering the secret door, she made intriguing observations. But that wasn't the end of the surprises. She revealed that the door was open, and she had found a latch, shedding light on its mysterious presence. She noted the unstable nature of the stairs leading down and the pitch darkness within the crawl space, which remained invisible to the camera. Henning also mentioned that she wasn't a vlogger and wasn't willing to risk her safety for entertainment on a Tuesday morning. Despite this, she teased her audience to stay tuned for updates. In later posts, Henning shared that she had enlisted a medium to explore the space. However, the expert quickly retreated after descending a few steps, leaving the enigmatic space unexplored. "Okay, first attempt fail. We're going to try again." She said she felt something when she walked into the house, but that it wasn't dark or evil. But she didn't feel comfortable going down, said Henning in another one of her TikTok clips. Upon entering the house, the medium sensed something unusual, a feeling that had also struck her during a previous visit. Henning said, when she walked into the house, she could feel something, and she felt it the other day when she was here too. The house is definitely inhabited. Following this, strange occurrences began to unfold. Henning explained, "When I opened this up a couple of days ago, some weird stuff started happening, like the door not closing, strange incidents at 3 a.m., and weird dreams. I had a friend over yesterday, and she didn't feel good after she left." In spite of these eerie experiences, Henning made a daring decision to venture down into the trapdoor. She even took precautions, wearing a coat and ski mask to protect herself from potential insects and braving the mysterious depths within her home. "Despite my vast knowledge of every horror movie ever, I am literally that girl who went into the crawl space alone," Henning captioned her TikTok clip. Carefully descending the uneven wooden steps, Henning was shocked to discover 2 names spray-painted on the wall, Joe and John, with a black symbol beneath them. Surprised, she called out to her friend upstairs, exclaiming, "There's a name! Wait, no, there's a legit name. There's a name that's like spray-painted on." Amid her exploration, Henning humorously remarked, "Oh yeah, I can store wine in here." However, her tone shifted when she focused on the names and the mysterious symbols below them. Concerned, she questioned, "Okay, somebody's got to explain this black symbol. What is that? Why are there names here?" The space, resembling an old wine cellar with pantry storage, also featured a puzzling small hook hanging from the ceiling. She then stumbled upon a notice on the floor dating back 30 years, indicating a past fumigation due to possible termite issues. But that wasn't the end of the surprises. When the camera panned upward, Henning spotted what appeared to be a time capsule. "There's a creepy jar. It's got a bunch of trinkets in it," she said. "It's a jar of things. There's a lighter, a thimble, a toy car." Upon hearing someone in the background suggesting these items might be related to a ritual, Henning quickly dismissed the idea, exclaiming, "Stop! Not a ritual thing!" The video concluded with Henning promising to contact the former owners in an attempt to unravel the mystery and gain some much-needed answers. In another TikTok video updating her followers, Henning shared a chilling detail. She revealed that her house alarm had been beeping incessantly since the discovery of the trapdoor. "So the house alarm has been going off for the last 3 nights between 3:30 a.m., and today it happened around 8 a.m., she wrote in the caption. No windows or doors were open, no glitch in the system, checked the batteries, and even called ADT to see if they had some insight. None. The mysterious occurrences continued to unsettle Henning and added to the enigma surrounding her home. Do you think this woman's house is haunted or inhabited by a supernatural being? Let us know your feedback.